The dialogue is aimed at addressing complex and pressing issues related to peace building, conflict prevention, health emergencies, gender-based violence, and other thematic areas of concern between communities and police relationship in Bauchi and Zamfara states. For Bauchi State Police Public Relations Officer Ahmed Wakil, this is an era of community-based policing, emphasizing a common saying that police is your friend. He urged members of the public to feel free and report issues within their domain.
So the police is a friend and we are always there for you. So the part of the scorecards from the VAI to bring members of the public to bring out their own complaints for us to know what they have. That is what we call a scorecard or feedback mechanism. It's part of the feedback mechanism for us to see the areas we need to improve, the areas we need to strengthen, the areas we need to adjust, the areas we need to tell the public that you should understand.
The facilitator of the dialogue, Shaibu Kobi, while evaluating response of the police representatives and the stakeholders after 10 days, called for more tolerance between the police and the community members.
Well, we discovered that most of the community are not quite aware of what is the constitutional role of police in the area.
The organizers strongly believe that strengthening ties through information sharing, mutual understanding between the police and the community members will bridge the gap and address insecurity witnessed in most troubled communities in Nigeria.
What we expect to see at the moment is to have that trust between them, between the community members and the police. That is one aspect of it. Information sharing is another aspect of it. Also, again, to seek for interventions of anything that has to do with cases that are being taken to court, most especially the civil cases, of which we really need the community members to come in order to see how we can also use alternative disputes.
Some of the issues identified by community members are lack of trust between the police and the community members, bail money, as police said it is free, poor reporting mechanism for issues of sexual gender-based violence, and lack of prompt information sharing, among others.
I want the DPO, not only the DPO, but all the DPOs we have in Bauchi State, to please take cognizance of one thing, that is constitutionally, in PCRC, the admin officer of every division is the secretary of PCRC of that division. There are some PCRC officials, chairmen, who doesn't conduct meeting. And as it's ought to be, it should be, it must be, it's imperative to be every month ending.
So ourselves as different people working from different angles. But at times, as time went on, during the discussion, we come to realize that definitely we are supposed to work hand in hand with the police.
With this dialogue, it is expected that the relationship between the police and the community members will be strengthened, especially in Ningi communities of Bauchi State, Northeast Nigeria. Yusuf Mamman, News Africa, Bauchi.